Hi guys, it's me, Karen, from Karen's Intuitive Jewelry. Thought I'd come to you today with a little tutorial about how I go from a design concept, couple here, to the craziness that goes beyond. So I had this idea using the twisted wire as some frames, and went from that, voila, to different ideas. As you know, you guys, I rarely sit down to create just one piece. So this is kind of what it develops into. Using the twisted wire, you can see the other short tutorial I did about it. You can use, this is an 18 gauge pre-tinned copper dead soft wire. This is a 20 gauge, so a little bit smaller in gauge, but yeah, kind of started with, this is a pretty blue tiger's eye, thinking about something like that. And then that moved into using this cool black sunstone, and look, I found polish. Isn't that funny? I think it's so cool though. Okay, black sunstone, and then this cool diamond quartz that I had revealed in one of the unboxings. It's very rough, and so we'll see. The goal will be to have a sturdy piece, and I thought about using the square frame, so I'll have a little bit more to solder onto. And then of course I was like, oh, I still want to do something with this. This is skullite. And again, I thought of the frame and then the patina it very black, so it'll have a sharp contrast. And then this green Swiss opal. Not sure what I'm gonna do. I may keep that fairly simple. And I had this idea as a bail. And then not sure what I'm gonna do with this rhodonite rectangle. I don't know what's going to happen with that, but those are the 5 projects that I'm going to be hopefully just doing some short tutorials on, and see what we come up with. Okay, as you saw, I got all the pieces foiled, fluxed, and soldered. Just generally, no decorative, no framing or anything. Now we'll move on to the frame. So I think I first want to attach that to the top of the frame, so that if I need to spread that a little bit to fit over that oval, it'll be easier. So I would give this a little bit of flux, keeping in mind this is going to get hot. And I also want to be able to keep this frame together. So something like that. Sorry about that. And get a little dab. I don't want too much. Just enough to connect that. And being mindful that the metal has to get equally hot. So the first attempt is not always successful, and we'll see. But that's good. We can clean any sharp edges up later. So let's get an idea. See, give that a minute to cool down. I believe we will have to stretch that out just a tad. So now that it's cool, you can gently spread that out a little. It'd be nice to fit snugly, such as that. Okay. And that'll be relatively easy then to solder on because it's got a nice snug fit. So I do want to try and get it as even as I can all the way around. So that looks great to me. So now we'll just go ahead and flux this. And if need be, you can look at my previous videos or the description below for all the supplies that I use. This is so hard to kind of see around the camera. But you saw in that other tutorial, this is really simple and I love the effect. All right, just put it on and let it melt a little. And again, once it's on, then we can tidy it up. So I'm not worried that it's all lumpy bumpy at this point. My goal is to get it attached. All right, attach first, clean up second. So that's good and attached. Hey, hey, hey. And I'll clean that up later. That's basically it. The bail's already attached to it. I might try to put a dot, or I could hang a charm, or a number of things I could do to it. So we'll see what the end result is. But I'm going to move on to doing the other frames in exactly the same way. Okay, so this is kind of what I came up with, and I'm going to put some patina on some of these, and then I'll be back for the final reveal. Look pretty cool. And here we have it, guys. 5 beautiful, all different, but similar. So what may start with a simple sketch or two, right, can become something much different. So this is that skull sight, and I dig it. I did a heavy patina on it and just polished the raised areas. And of course, I'm just demonstrating different cords and chains that you could use. Here's the the green Swiss opal. Super pretty, but very simple. No patina. A little fancier chain, but you can go simple. Here's one of the original ideas. This is the blue tiger's eye in a twisted frame. I was going to patina it, but after I cleaned it up, I just thought it looked wonderful, just silver. This one was a little trickier because of this diamond quartz piece. It started cracking when I was trying to attach it, and so it's a little bit chunkier in the back, but I did a patina on it and I still think it looks pretty cool. But this was a little bit more delicate, and I didn't realize that it wouldn't withstand the heat of the soldering iron, but it's okay. It's solid. It just kind of flaked a couple of top pieces off, so maybe they were already ready to go. And then this little rhodonite was just going to be so plain. I thought, what can I do to jazz it up a little bit? And I had some 4mm rhodonite beads and just made a looped frame, and then thread 3 on, and had this cute little flower charm that I added. Drug a little bit of the solder down to give it a little effect in the corner. So it's still simple, but I think it's real cute. So anyway, that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I appreciate it. We're over 700 subscribers now. I can hardly believe it, but I appreciate you guys so much. And if there's anything you'd like to see me try, I'm always happy to do so. I can't say it be successful, but yeah, I try. Matching polish, how cute is that? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please share, and I welcome any comments. Thanks again, guys. Bye.